Good morning. Happy Vlogmas. What, 14? I think. Yeah, it's 14. As usual, let me flip it around and see what we got. Okay, today is day 14. And we have gingerbread coffee. So, didn't get a chance to try the gingerbread coffee before. Today, I will. Got some cream and sugar. Okay, here we go. It smells like burnt coffee, for real. But, let me taste it. Doesn't taste like gingerbread. Maybe after I drink it for a while, like that buttered rum one, it will. But right now I'm not tasting gingerbread. I'm just tasting coffee. So it's coffee. It's warm. I'm drinking it. Later. Hey, so I'm gonna make candy cane cookies for the Vlogmas, or I think that's what she called it. But yeah. So just gonna use these. And then red food coloring. Kind of running out, so hopefully I have enough, but you know. And then I'll just show you my process and all that good stuff. Alright, so I've got my oven preheated and I've lined my baking paper. Lined my baking sheet. So I'm gonna start. I'm only gonna do 12 cookies because that's what she wanted me to do. Foxy, get down. So let's show you what I'm gonna do. So they're chilled. That's what they look like. So what I'm gonna do, ignore my feet. Okay, anyways, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one cookie, because this makes one cookie, and I'm gonna cut it in half and dye one red, and then one is going to be normal. So I'm gonna show you one, and then the rest of them is going to be. These are going to be the white ones, and these are going to be the red ones. So warm it up a little bit. This is going to get messy. So. And gross, but and also I'm gonna re-chill these. So, one, I'm gonna like get a rag that I can wipe my hands with so that I don't get the white ones dyed. Come back with all of them finished. cookies are done getting dyed. Very messy process. They've gotten really soft because of my hands. They're warm. So I'm gonna set them back in the refrigerator. I'm gonna put them in the freezer actually for like 15 minutes, and then I'll be back to show you the next step. Okay, so they're out of the oven. I mean, the freezer. They're out of the freezer. And I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do to shape them. So I'm gonna put a little bit of flour on my hand. Also, I wash my hands thoroughly. Just so that, just in case they do get soft, they don't melt. I'm gonna take a white one first. I'm gonna roll it. And I'll roll that. Look. So put them together. Let me fill this in. And I'll just set it on the tray like that. And I'm gonna do that for every single one. And then I'll come back to when I'm finished. Okay, these are finished. I know, how many? So I'm gonna set these to the side and then do the red ones. These ones are a little sticky, so I'm gonna put some more flour on my hands. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so hands are washed. Now I'm going to form the they're getting super soft now, so I gotta work really quick. Okay, so I finished rolling them. Now I'm gonna like place them so they're not so close together. Like they look so good. I'm so proud of myself. So I'm gonna move these so that they don't merge while I cook them. Because if they do, that's gonna be very sad. So, per instruction, I have to bake them 13 to 17 minutes. So I'm gonna bake them for 15 minutes and I'll be right back. So the cookies are finished and this is how they look. They're not perfect, some of them are wonky, you know, but you know, it's fine because they're cookies. You're gonna eat them anyways. So here's one of them. So yeah, you can try this if you want to. I'm pretty sure you could, I'm pretty sure it could be better if I chill them a little. better. But you know, they're not perfect, you know, nothing's perfect, and they're cookies. So yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.
Hey, it's Shelly. Just got home from work and decided I was gonna do the cocktail of the day. So there's only 2 left, and one is the classic mojito, and the other one is the Singapore Sling. Ooh. So let me see what these say. The Singapore Sling, you need 3 shots of gin, and this one, the mojito, you need 1 shot of rum. But you know me, I'm gonna use vodka. So I'm gonna make it a slushy this time because this thing was, and I'm gonna use this mojito one, and it's a frozen mojito. I'm gonna use my bullet. So let me put some ice on here. Be right back. Okay, so I have my ice. I'm gonna put the shot of vodka in there, and then the whole thing of this drink. Look how syrupy it is. Okay. Smells alcohol-y. Okay. Hopefully this thing turns. Okay, so let me grab a spoon. I was going to use this glass, but I think it's too small. So I'm going to take this and pour it into here. Actually, let me just give it a try. That's a lot better because those drinks are syrupy. But classic frozen mojito. I didn't even bother to pour it in a cup. I'll just eat it out of here. Oh, to then. Bye.
Hi you guys, welcome back to another day of tea. Today is day 14, so let's open it up and see what flavor we have. Oh, candy cane crush. Oh, I can't wait. I've already prepped it, but look at this. It looks pretty and it smells good too, so let's see how it tastes. All right, y'all, so here are the ingredients for Candy Cane Crush. It is a black tea, and yeah, it has 1 shade of caffeine, so but yeah, so let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes. So the water is still heating up. I'm gonna let y'all know how this tastes. I'm excited for this one. Smells really good and minty, y'all. I'm excited to try this one. And I love when they have the little decorations in there, like the snowflakes and everything. It's so cute. Okay, y'all. So I tasted it and this tea tastes so good. I think this is my favorite one so far. The peppermint just makes it taste so perfect. It's like a mint tea. It tastes really good. I give this one a 9 out of 10. I don't think I would add anything to it. It's like sweet enough, but like not too sweet. And yeah, it's just really good. And I like the flavor. So 9 out of 10. And this was day 14, which was candy cane. It was candy cane something. Yeah, y'all see. All right, bye.